Good morning. Driving north for sunrise, and out of the fog pops the Tetons over there. Really beautiful scene. So this isn't where I was planning on stopping, but it's so pretty. I'm trying to figure out if I can make a photograph here that would be interesting. Fog and clouds, and I'd probably have to wait here for the sky to get all peachy and pink and purpley. That could happen in the next 15 minutes or so. The only problem with that is that it would kind of kill my opportunity to get further north, which is what I was planning on doing. So give me a minute to try and figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, in the very brief time I sat there and pulled over and got my camera out, the fog totally shifted and now the mountains are barely visible through the fog. So the weather made the decision for me. There's the mountains over there disappeared. So I guess I won't stop and make a photo there. But it's good to see the fog breaking up. So I got to keep my eye on the Tetons over here and see when the clouds are going to break up, when the fog's kind of moving around. Could create some nice opportunities for photos through the holes in the fog. Just beautiful. And it looks like the fog's breaking up the further north I get, so that might actually happen here. Uh-oh, looks like this guy might be stuck. I wonder if I need to help him get unstuck. Which is a terrible time to help somebody get unstuck, because it's so beautiful out, but I can probably help him here. Okay, so I got out of the fog, which kind of bums me out. That fog was gorgeous, but I now found some bison in the scene here. There won't be any light on them for quite some time, but because they're in the snow, they will contrast very heavily. With the scene, and be very significant in the frame. So I'm going to make some pictures of these guys. I again am just running handheld here with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. I've got to kind of figure out which there's two little groups of bison, which group I want to photograph here, and get in position. Make a couple of frames. I think it'll turn out really nice. All right. I think I'm about where I want to be. Now I just want to get the bison kind of staggered so they're not really overlapping much. And with that. There we go. All right, so this scene, because there's such high contrast between the brightness of the mountains and then the kind of darkness in the valley, I'm going to bracket 2 exposures here. Ooh, my feet are cold though. I wore the wrong shoes out here in this snow. It's beautiful. Those bison are out there digging for some meager grasses through the snow. It's just fantastic to be out here. Quite a sight. So I think I got some decent photos out of that. And I'm gonna keep moving here. There could be some more good stuff. Okay, there's my new photo subject. That tree. I'm digging the trees. It's a nice clean photo here. Usually the Tetons are back there, and but this will just be about the tree with the frost on it, and just the whiteness and winter time. It's really cool. So I'm going to shoot this with infrared, kind of as an experiment. And I don't know what snowy trees are going to look like in infrared. But I'll also shoot it with the regular camera too. We'll see which one I like better. Ooh, this looks good in infrared. This is going to be pretty. Yeah, really nice. All right, that looks great. That infrared's going to be cool. Still foggy. I'm going to call it a day. Got some nice foggy landscape stuff. Shot some bison in the fog. Beautiful morning. Great to be out. I haven't been out for a sunrise in weeks. Had holidays and family stuff and just other things going on, and it was just great to be back out here. And I'm going to be doing it again soon, I think, because I definitely missed it. So hope you enjoyed the video today, and have a great day. Later.